when we are physically ill, but we need to pray to God so that doctor gives us right and exact medicines. देवाचं नाव विनाकारण घ्यायचं नाही. Don't take God's name in vain. That is important. And therefore, as we have come, we are not going to say only goodbye to this year, but today we are going to celebrate the feast of our Mother Mary, that is the Mary, Mother of God. The Son she has given to us is God. And therefore, she becomes the Mother of God. Let us forget about ourselves and be possessed by the Spirit of God. What the Spirit of God is telling us. We like to talk to God, we like to talk to Mother Mary, we like to ask this, that. But have you imagined that even God or His Mother likes to talk to us? And these are the people, Mother Mary and the prophets. They knew, and therefore they could hear the whisper of the angels or of the prophets, what they want, what God wants. We are so busy, so busy. We have no time to listen to God. We know we have no time to listen to our own near and dear ones. We have no time to talk to each other. We have no time to give flower to each other. We have no time to call my brother and my sister, my parents on the phones and to ask about their well-being, to ask for sorry, to ask for help or to give help. We have mobile, we have more than 500 contacts. Is it true? More than 500 contacts. Morning we get up, instead of rosary, Bible, we look for the phone. Look for the phone. Where is the phone? Sometimes the parents even forget the children, they are with them because in one hand the child, the other hand the phone. We call everybody, not to ask how are you. We call everybody to ask how is this fellow, how is that fellow, I have heard this and I have heard that. This is the life if we are living, what kind of peace will we get? In the psalm it is written that we are given 70 years, and if the Lord is with us, we go up to 80. In Psalm 91 or 90 you see, we go up to 80. And in the Proverbs it is that long life is a gift for the righteous person. After the Mass we are going to say Happy New Year. There is no happy, there is no sad New Year. It depends on